Hey guys, welcome to Unicode. Today we are going to learn about keywords and identifier. Getting started with keywords. What are they? They are the words which the compiler knows the definition of. The compiler knows these words on its own. Compiler the words whose meaning is already defined by the compiler. These keywords cannot be used as an identifier. Keywords are also known as tokens. As you can see in the program written here, some of the words which are highlighted, they are the keywords. They are the words who compiler already familiar with. You can also see some more example like int, float, main, void or char. These are the keywords. Let's head to the next section. Identifier. C++ identifier is a name of an variable or a function or a class or any other thing which is user defined. C++ does not allow punctuation characters such as at the rate, dollar, percentage, full stop, brackets. Any other special characters are not allowed to use in identifying a name. Okay, in this program you can see capital A, capital B, capital B. These are some of the identifiers. This name can be anything, like even if we can write a Unicode in that place, the code will work perfectly. Okay, so there is a note here. C++ is a case sensitive programming language. Thus, capital A or capital B is different from small a or small b. Even you can see here, I have given an example. Thus, Unicode and capital U Unicode will be different. We can see some of the rules to name an identifier. I have said that any keyword cannot be used as a name of an identifier. No special characters except underscore. Underscore is the only special character used in naming an identifier. You can see here, first letter of a name cannot be a number. Like if I give an example 123, this can't be an identifier. We can use underscore at the first plate, underscore Unicode. Uppercase letters are treated different from the lowercase. This is as same as C++ is a case sensitive language. After first letters, numbers, underscore, everything is allowed. Capital letters, small letters, everything. Here you can see two columns, accepted and non-accepted. You can give them a look. Here is a note, capital int will be accepted because the reason is capital I. Of course, C++ is a case sensitive language. Okay, so this is some kind of hack, you can say, some style of giving a variable a name. Okay, so I have only showed three, there are many more. First is lazy case, where all letters are small, total sum, my variable, Unicode, max variable. These are some example of a lazy case. Camel case, this is the most commonly used by programmers. In this, only first character of first word is small, and every new word starts with a capital letter. As you can see in the examples, total sum, here S is the capital, here S is small. My variable, V is capital, V is small. Unicode, max variable. These are some of the example of camel case. There is also a case, snake case. I personally don't like this, but yes, there is. Every word is separated by an underscore. It looks pretty much like a snake, so I think that is the reason it is called snake case. Total sum, my variable, Unicode, max variable. Thank you for seeing the video. I would like to have some questions from you. I would like to answer them. Please comment down the questions. Happy coding!